In this video, we want to convert x squared plus y squared minus 4x equals 0 to polar form. So first recall the formulas that we have are x equals r cosine theta, y equals r sine theta, and x squared plus y squared equals r squared. So we're going to use this to convert x squared plus y squared minus 4x equals 0. First note that x squared plus y squared, that's just going to be r squared, and then 4x is just 4r cosine theta. Now we can factor this out. We can pull out of r from both terms and have r minus 4 cosine theta equals 0. Notice that r is 0 or r minus 4 cosine is 0. Now notice that if r is 0, that's nothing. This is just the origin. It's a single point. So we're instead going to look at r equals 4 cosine theta. This is the polar equation that we're interested in. And so r equals 4 cosine theta is going to be the final answer.